Welcome to SimplyRideUSA.com. Today we have a pre-owned 2012 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja. This sport bike has just under 11,000 miles on it and has been through our 25-point inspection. So let's take our walk around it, we'll show it to you, then we'll fire it up for you. This ZX6R has been tipped over on both sides, but it's very, very minor. Front tire's got some tread left on it, but it's fairly cupped and really should be replaced immediately. Comes with a dark tinted windscreen. And from the tip over on the right, like I said, they're all minimal, very minimal. We got a little scratch here on the back of the mirror. Lever, bar end, kind of blurry. There we go. And middle fairing. They also have a Two Brothers pipe, stand spools, a tank pad, as well as fender eliminator and an integrated tail. Rear tire appears to be in good shape. Looks like there's some decent miles left on that. Might have a little bit of a flat patch in the middle, but not too bad. And again, stand spools, fender eliminator and integrated tail, tank pad. On this side we've got just a touch more. We've got a little scrape in there on the engine cover as well as the middle fairing, bar end, edge of the lever, and the edge of the mirror. In here. Looks like we got a little bit on the back of it too, so, but very, very minimal. Show you those miles now. 10,837 is what's on it. This 2012 Kawasaki ZX6R Ninja is a pre-owned motorcycle, which means it's been through our 25-point inspection. Thank you for shopping SimplyRideUSA.com.